Good morning, second grade. How's it going over there? All right, so you guys got to watch our video yesterday on erosion. A little new character, Tim. No more Annie right now, so we got onto Tim a little bit more. All right, so yesterday they talked about 4 different types of erosion. Do you remember the 4 types? Ready, set, answer. Do you remember? All right, here we go. Ready? Moving water, such as rivers, wind, waves, and G-word, glacier. All right, so erosion is when you have a force cutting away into the land right there, okay, and it's actually moving it away. So if you noticed the videos yesterday, the rivers, we actually have glimpses of erosion in New Jersey. Who's ever been to the Delaware Water Gap? Exactly. So a long time ago, that river was much higher. It cut through those mountains right there, and the mountains are actually much taller back then, and it made our little Delaware Water Gap. Okay. Wildwood yesterday, if you were checking out anything that was going on down the shore, lots of erosion going on. Waves were crashing left and right onto the sandbars and actually taking that sand and eroding it away. So you actually have some sandbars. Have you ever been down the shore, maybe LBI, Wildwood, different parts, and all of a sudden you're walking out on the beach and all of a sudden, whoop, kind of like a big 5 or 6 foot drop. That's erosion. The weather and the water is causing the sand to move away. Okay? And then the final one that we really can't see around here anymore is glacier erosion. Now, this is really cool because I guarantee you, if you've ever been to New York City before, you have seen it. Raise your hand if you have ever been across the George Washington Bridge. Exactly. Right. So if you're looking on the New Jersey side, you're going to see literally in where Fort Lee is right there, you're going, and all of a sudden you got the land going, and then big drop, okay? That was actually formed by a glacier. Hudson River, the entire Hudson River. Glacier over thousands of years was going down that river until it got into the bay, and it carved that huge area of the Hudson River, which is actually really cool, okay? Now, in the Brain Pop yesterday, it also mentioned a new form that we're going to be talking more about today, which is weathering, okay? So, just like yesterday, you're going to have 2 things to do besides watching me. You're going to watch a YouTube video on erosion and weathering. It's going to be talking about the difference between the 2 of them a little bit more in detail today, okay? And then you're going to be watching, actually not watching, I'm sorry, you're going to be doing an activity on Seesaw about weathering and erosion, okay? One more thing I am going to put up today in the afternoon, actually not the afternoon, but it will be up this morning, is a video that my son Joey and I made a couple weeks ago for my class, but I want to share it to everyone, okay? We did a nature walk in my neighborhood, and we have a stream that kind of cuts through the back of our neighborhood. It's, it's pretty big. Yesterday the water was pretty high because of all the rain that we had. We actually drove by and checked it out, but usually it's just a little trickle stream. But lots of erosion and weathering going on in that stream. So there's about 5 or 6 videos. I did it on my phone, so it's a little more choppy, but you can get a little more idea of actually seeing weathering and erosion in your backyard. Okay? So check those things out today. Have fun, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.